How to use the outfit codes in the Roblox. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in into your Roblox, and here you have to go in the search and search for the catalog outfit creator, and you have the option, so you have to click on this first one and simply click on this play icon. So once you are in here, you have the combination of the outfit, so you just have to simply close it, and after that you have to go in the outfit buyer, and from here you have to go from the customize, and in the customize you have the option to enter your outfit code, so you just have to enter this, and once you enter your outfit code you just have to go and select the outfit that you want to get, and you are able to get the outfit as you want by just adding your outfit code. So this is how you can use your outfit code in the Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.